Hello, and welcome to another Cloudasta video on Google Workspace updates for December 2025. Each month, Google Workspace releases many updates to their system, and we go through all of them to figure out what the most interesting and exciting new updates that we want to share with you. So that way you don't have to, and you can go ahead and just get those highlights. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. In December, Google doesn't often release as many updates with the end of the year, but there are still some good stuff that we wanted to share with you, and we hope that you'll come back in January where there are sure to be many things. All right, let's dive in. So this was one that we touched on at the end of November as well, but the ability now for users to block off time on their calendar for specific tasks. So previously, tasks were just like tiny little events within your calendar that didn't have a duration of time, and it would be really hard to go ahead and block off time appropriately when you're using the tasks. So now you can go ahead and designate not only the task details, but the amount of time that you want to go ahead and be working on that task directly within your calendar feed. Next is another update for Gemini within Drive. So previously, Google introduced these little nudges at the top of folders within Drive, making it easier to get the context of the folders at a glance. Gemini will now proactively provide those insights about the folders right at the top. It makes it easier for you to understand what's going on within that folder without having to open up individual files. And if you want to go ahead and get a more in-depth look, there is that functionality there with the Explore with Gemini button. There's a new integration between Gmail and Google Chat designed to improve team collaboration and productivity. With this feature, you can now easily share a conversation from your Gmail inbox to a chat direct message or space. No need to start a new chat conversation with the, hey, did you see that email I forwarded, or dig through your inbox. You can start right from a Gmail message. You can initiate a chat with the existing email recipients or a new group or a subset of those people. The email will automatically be forwarded, and the recipients can open it right within the chat message. This enables you to switch to chat for a more active discussion while preserving the connection with the original message. Two-way linking helps ensure that everyone has the full context they need for the productive discussion and reduces the need to jump between different tabs. This is a really interesting one. I'm curious to see how this plays out and changes how folks are working as Google is creating more and more overlap and connection between the chat and the Gmail features. A more modern interface is coming to Drive when viewing PDFs, images, videos, audio files. You can see in this preview here, it's really much cleaner than it has been, where you previously got that little shadow box that was going on. So you can see there's a new left thumbnail rail on the left side there with a table of contents as well. You got a new file menu at the top, a toolbar, an app bar, option to search by transcript when looking at a video, a summary on the side, a place to put comments. It's a really new, refreshed, clean look for viewing lots of different files within Drive, and we hope that it makes your viewing experience a little bit easier. Okay, so this is one of my favorite features, is the picture-in-picture within Google Meet. So if you've been using picture-in-picture with Google Meet when changes to a different tab or something like that, now it's automatically going to happen when you're starting a screen share. This allows your audience to focus on your stuff and for you to focus on your audience. So in addition, with the change, you can now go into your settings and choose when picture-in-picture actually occurs. So you can change it to be never automatically show, only when I switch tabs, only when I screen share, or always automatically show. Previously, again, it was on the switching tabs piece, but now also when you screen share, it's going to go ahead and do that for you as well. All right, and our last one for today is introducing Google's newest flagship frontier model, Gemini 3 Flash, into the Gemini mobile app. So built on the foundation of Gemini 3, Flash is designed to get answers now, make light work of daily tasks, and connect to the real world instantly. Delivering speeds and efficiency while continuing to provide strong performance. It also delivers a huge leap in multimodal understanding, so you could ask it questions across multiple different modes of multimedia, images, audio, text. Try using Gemini Flash to summarize and extract text, such as analyze the attached project status report, provide a one-paragraph executive summary highlighting key progress and roadblocks, and extract all assigned action items, listing the item, responsible person, and deadline in a table format. So giving it lots of things at once really gives you that ability to not have to work as hard, and you can work a little bit smarter and more efficiently. You also have the ability to dive into the thinking and pro models for more complex and advanced math and code. All right, that's it for December 2025. We are looking forward to 2026 and seeing what everything has to offer. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, and thanks for watching.